Hey guys out there, my name is Josh, and I'm doing this beginning video. It's about stocks, trading, day trading, swing trading. I'm really gonna get into within the next year stocks. So I'm doing a video so I can get some help from you guys out there. Your experience, your troubleshooting, your just your expertise on um, common mistakes, books I need to read, people I need to follow, maybe some techniques. What I don't want is a lot of advertising. I won't read that, but I am going to go through a year of just studying books, reading, and all that before I trade $1. Of course, I've already have, 401k, Roth IRA. I do have a couple things that I do already, but I'm talking about extensively investing in stock as a second option or a second income. So, with that said, I need your expertise. For those of you who are experienced, I don't take any information for granted. So if you give me rash, tough, hard, straightforward information, and I reply and I don't really understand it, you can be as forthcoming, as brash as you want, because I do want to learn. And a lot of times, those of you guys who are experienced don't really have time to teach beginners, but the little bit of expertise that you can offer, just that much, I would really appreciate it. So this is day one, of course. Today is June 11 of 2014. And the first book that I'm starting to read, I'm already on page 63, sorry about that. It is called the fifth edition, The Neatest Little Guide to Stock Market Investing. And that book looks like this. It is by Jason Kelly. See the author there. From what I can see so far, it's a pretty good book. I only read 63 pages. It's just an overview. I'm writing notes. A lot going on. A lot of people gave it good ratings on this. And I'm starting with this book, and I plan on reading maybe a book every 2 weeks. So this book is not going to really last that long, maybe a week. But I do want to get through at least maybe 100 to 150 books this year on just because I know the more I read, the more I'm gonna understand about the subject. The next book coming up, I'm gonna do this really fast so I can get through it. Next book coming up is Stock Market Investing for Beginners: Essentials to Start Investing Successfully, and that is, it looks like this. And that is your cover. I know I covered my face a little bit. That's your cover for beginners. I am a beginner. So in that book, I haven't started reading yet, but I will be on that book, and I will be doing updates every 2 to 3 weeks after I finish a book, going over notes and getting any information from you guys that I possibly can. And I appreciate every single comment, everything that you have to say. I don't want advertising, which I know people will advertise, but I do not want that. I want honest opinions, and I will take everything from everybody, because just as I'm learning, someone else is learning right along with me. So I appreciate you guys subscribing and commenting on this thing, because this is basically day trading, swing trading, all in one, and just trading as a whole. Next book is going to be by Nicolas Darvas. It is How I Made $2 Million in the Stock Market. It looks like this. And I know this book is not exactly about stocks. It may just be more about his technical expertise and analysis on what he's done in the stock market. I know it's a long, drawn-out book that, from what I heard, with stories in it. But little things like that will break me up from just numbers. So I do need a breakaway every now and then. And I know I'm covering a lot, but any books that you guys say are must reads, I will get to those books, and I will talk about them, and I will have you guys tell me how it is. Maybe you guys can do a video on it, whoever is that has that much expertise, and I will go to your video. I will comment. I will subscribe. So understand that I am just not trying to get views. I'm not trying to just get subscribers. I am trying to learn. So whatever I must do, you tell me, and I'll do it. Next one is going to be Penny Stocks for Dummies. Peter Lees is the publisher of this book, And you know, it's those for dummies books basically, because right now I am a dummy when it comes to stocks. So penny stocks for dummies. Let me show you how that is, how that looks. So that's how that looks. Penny stocks for dummies. That's gonna be my fourth book that I'm gonna go over. The next one is gonna be How Do They Trade Forex for Profit by Harvey Walsh. You're gonna see how that book looks. I'm gonna speed this up a little bit. That's how Harvey Walsh. That's gonna be the next book. The next one's gonna be How to Trade Stocks for Profit. How to Trade Stocks for Profit by Harvey Walsh as well. That's how that looks. Really good reviews on this book. I'm so excited to read this one. Each and every one I'm excited to read, but that one, really good reviews on it. The next one's gonna be Swing Trading for Dummies. And it's just, like I said, a whole heap of for dummy books because I am a dummy on the subject. Swing Trading for Dummies. And this who wrote it. That's who's the publisher. There you go. Next one is gonna be Candlestick Charting for Dummies. And you guys tell me and give me your expertise. If you don't think I need to go over this and you'd rather see me do something else, you let me know. I'll weigh my options. I'll work with my team. I'm trying to figure out, hey, what should I do? But I will read what you tell me because I am going to be blissing through these books. I'm trying to knock them out in 2 weeks, maybe a week at the most. Okay, guys, so next one, Candlestick Charting for Dummies. Is this important? I will hope so. I know you guys are going to give me your expertise on it, and I appreciate it. The next one is going to be Technical Analysis for Dummies, and that looks like this. Next one is going to be Economic Indicators for Dummies. Here we go. That looks like this for dummy books, because I am a dummy in this subject. The next one is going to be Stock Investing for Dummies. See how that looks? Got a Wall Street thing on it. I mean, I don't know if that makes it more sellable or not, but it does have a Wall Street thing on it. Last but not least, is Currency Trading for Dummies. And I'm really excited about currency trading because from what I read, currency trading is one of the best and one of the most profitable forms of trading. I do have some day trading books. I do have a little bit of this and a little bit of that. But guys, I'm waiting on you guys. I'm going to make this quick and short. It's all about my growth, your help. I will be doing videos all the way up until next year around this time before I place that first one. And I'm going to talk to you guys all through it. I'm going to follow up with you guys. I'm going to read what you want. I'm going to try to answer every comment. Not advertising, but any comment that you have. Subscribe. Let me know. I'm going to be under J Gardner 054. That's what I'm under. I am what you would call a master gardener. I'm great at it. It's what I do. But if I can be a master gardener, I know I can hit this as hard as I hit gardening. I can hit this the same way, and I can knock it out of the ballpark with the help of you guys. Because whatever you do, I'm going to put my 100% into it. And then once I get to the point where I see growth, profit, I will be doing tutorial videos on here as well. That is my goal, to help you guys get to where I am once I get there. Thank you guys. You guys have a great day.